Hello everyone. In this particular video, I will share a very small story that how I learn English. Let's start. Have you ever seen that someone is speaking in English and you wish that I could speak like that too? Well, that's exactly how my journey started. A few years ago, there was a function in my school. Some students gave speeches in English, and I was really impressed by the way they spoke. They were very confident and fluent. At that moment, I told myself, one day I'll speak like that. That fun moment changed my life. I started learning English with a clear goal, and that the best part is I didn't spend years in it. I just learned it in few months. But this didn't happen by luck. It happened because I had a clear goal. Before learning any skill, ask yourself one question. Do I really need to learn this? Do I really want to learn this? Because the truth is, English is not necessary for everyone. But if you really want to learn it, then you must ready to put in the effort. Now let me tell you what I did. I didn't start by studying grammar all day. Obviously, first I tried to understand my level. I asked myself what I can do in English and what do I need to improve. Then I started speaking. Yes, I made mistake. I kept speaking. I also use ChatGPT to practice English. It helped me practice conversations, learn new words, and correct my mistakes, obviously. In another video, I will show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to improve my English faster. But the most important thing was this. I practice speaking every single day. Not once a week, not only when I felt motivated, every single day. Some days were good, some days were difficult. But later I understood something important. Every day of practice was helping me improve little by little. Even when I could not see the progress, it was happening. And after some time, the results started showing. So if you are learning English, don't worry about being perfect. No one is perfect. Just be consistent, make mistakes, learn from them, and improve them. And keep going. Remember, guys, fluent English is not built in one day. It is built by small effort every day. This is my journey, and if I can do it, believe me, guys, you can do it too. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to improve your English with me, subscribe to this channel and let's learn together. See you in the next video with another topic. Thank you for watching this video.